I found a way to let you leave. I never really had it coming. I can't be in the side of you. I want you to stay away from my heart.
왜 집 앞으로 가고 있어? 빨리 전화 받아. 내가 아파서 죽을 것 같거든. 너 못 보면 내가 진짜 죽을 것 같아.
전화 좀 받아줘 1분만 내 말 좀 들어줘봐 잠깐만 죽을 것 같아서 나 숨도 못 쉬어 나 좀 살자 제발 한 번만 너의 집 앞에서 내 시간째 찢어지는 내 맘 넌 모른 채 웃고 있니 행복하니 모든 추억과 날 버린 채 아프고 숨이 막히는 침묵 어느새 내 눈물을 가려버린 핏물 머리에서 발끝까지 소름이 끼칠 듯 내 피가 솟구치는 기분 중독된 것처럼 하루 종일 온통 고통스러운 But she's gone 바라보는 너의 시선 그리워 That's why I sing this song 제발 지옥 같은 여기서 날 꺼내줘 이게 꿈이라면 어서 날 깨워줘 모든 것이 다 거짓말이라고 해줘 내게 말해줘 말해줘 나 살 수 있게
I found a way to let you leave. I never really had it coming. I can't be in the side of you. I want you to stay away from my heart.
Everyday and night 난 술에 많지 마음이 안심하는 것도 잠시 시간이 약이면 왜 낫질 않지 이럴 순 없어 이건 사랑의 반지 미안해 난 참 욕심이 많아 수면제도 나를 돕지를 않아 밤낮이 바뀌어 네 생각마다 이리저리 돌아다녀 몸부림치나봐 하늘이 내게 내린 벌인가 아니 그리 쉽게 날 버릴까 억지로 누군가를 사랑하며 또 살아갈까 별들 사이로 비고 내 맘을 노래로 채우고 Don't leave, let me please 날 좀 도와줘 help me please 제발 지옥 같은 여기서 날 꺼내줘 이게 꿈이라면 어서 날 깨워줘 모든 것이 다 거짓말이라고 해줘 내게 말해줘 말해줘 나 살 수 있게
I found a way to let you leave. I never really had it coming. I can't be in the side of you. I want you to stay away from my heart.
I don't want you to leave 나를 두고 가지마 정말 끝이라고 내게 말하지마 단 하루조차도 너 없인 살 수 없어 I want you back want you back into my life
I found a way to let you leave. I never really had it coming. I can't be in the side of you. I want you to stay away from my heart.
하늘이 내게 내린 벌인가 아니 그리 쉽게 나를 버릴까 억지로 누군가를 사랑하며 또 살아갈까 별들 사이로 비고 내 맘을 노래로 채우고 Don't leave, let me please 날 좀 도와줘 help me please
죽을 때까지 기다릴 거야. 네가 아무리 뭐라 그래도 나 기다릴 거야. 내일 다시 올게. 내일 다시 올게.
It starts with
One thing, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter. matter how hard you tried. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day. The clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on to didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
小速度的享受 Let's go 相互想象的力量无法挡，紧紧拥抱快乐去飞翔。小速度就在这节奏，不慌张是我的作风，跟着我往前冲，超乎想象的力量无法挡，紧紧拥抱快乐去飞翔。Let's go， 超速度的享受 Let's go， 没有太多时间想，不闭上，牵手画上蓝色天空，画出美丽的彩